The ranch hand is complete. Hey everybody, Brian Martin, the Bossman, coming at you live here from Joplin, Missouri, 4statetrucks.com, and today is a monumental day. After many months of filming different features and installs and things with Michael Forrest and myself, the ranch hand is complete. As stated from day one, our whole goal with this project was to take a brand new 2024 with all the latest and greatest engine, powertrain, rear suspension, all the amenities and reliabilities, we'll say, of a brand new truck, but give it that 1980s, early 1990s, like truckers look, with the old school stripes, the round headlights, the little bow tie visor, and so on and so forth. And I think we accomplished that. We went with a 4-piece grille. We got the old school stripes, not only on the side of the truck, but the fender. I already mentioned the skinny visor. The truck came with painted air filters. We went old school on the battery and toolbox, wrapping the fuel tanks with stainless steel and the hiding of the DPF tank, or the DEF tank rather. Actually a first one-off. Like Chrome Shop Mafia, Cody and the Fab Shop has never done a deck plate like we put on the ranch hand. The fenders were a lot of fun because we wanted the long drop half fenders, but Michael wanted to keep the tube and the 3 bars on here. And when the boys fabricated the rear light bar, nice, clean, simple, not real heavy, not real deep, kind of goes with their old school upgrades on the truck. 6-inch stacks versus big 8-inch stacks, round cab lights on top and down the air cleaners. Man, I got to tell you, I think we did a good thing here. I'm feeling pretty good about all the collective ideas that the whole shop put into this truck. Largely, Michael's hands went to work on it and accomplished everything you see here. Another really great attribute of the ranch hand, you could take this truck anywhere, haul about anything on any job site, and it's not fragile. It's not like you're going to be afraid to get out there and put it to work. It's not a crazy long wheelbase. Once you inflate, you're not really low to the ground. You got good gearing and engine to get out there and get some decent fuel mileage. The truck's not real heavy. The interior is done up nice, but not overdone. So it's really practical. It's not such a over-the-top show truck that you'd be afraid to put it to work or let your buddy take it out and haul a load with it. So I think we nailed it. I'm real happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole feature. If it's a success, and I think it was, you can let us know. We're going to do this again with a different truck. Who knows if it's going to be a Kenworth, a Peterbilt, or you fill in the blank, but we had a lot of fun with this one. The truck came out gorgeous, if I must say so myself. So I hope you like what we've done here, and until next time, y'all be good.